no pay. Now, see appointment of special assistants, reduce president's powers. Reduce president powers. Justice Doche wano and Adom Nsem to the retired justice. It was Supreme Court. Justice Jones Victor Doche and I was say abai mampenini to me no kabaya yente so kakra. Yente so kakra sebe ya pressure Emma meda civil and local government service staff no one more so enti I was before the one that from ewo yebeko pay 10 and 23 so or say guarantor and system no wo easy ho no one more abuse ade no no ti ene se share foforo ya nei one more dia ba ye de Ghana card no edi yenjuma e ho some the obokrata no so eni new Dwabe North constituency watch no okope 16 and 17 wo daily graphic the obokrata no mu a yes say e ho no so developed ye ai na nsase a e wo se wo munya de edo kwaye no ne ade no ene swa na se otumu se e galamse no ne ade no je boso a eno e ha dwen daily graphic the obokrata no nya bra na watna se akenkan mu ye delegate the obokrata no so enie owura Jeff Konedu ye pani a odi akotene MPP amanyoko no mu wapoye mantemu na wachire mu se MPP mpanifo mu ani da wono mu ye pa dia Niema pa owura kufudampare IGP ya ne betumi aboa wo ama nkunimdi ayo 1 dia 2024 no emu ahosam brape 6 delegate obokrata no so de aba Dr. Anya woye penia wono na da Holy Family Trinity and Spa hospital no ano na wachre eniema wodo ye betumi aye beboa ya me nyina chapa sebra no ye kwayar sabe akocheki apomodimu ye niema se efata okope 6 delegate obokrata no so ediaba afa minus foreigners abuse guarantor system EC4 ena Adom Nsem to dwankranke to ne ahoho ena wo mama obi si obi anemu se mi gina mama we no ne ade ana me we register mi mama no ene aye bibia wo ho ewo easy wo call delegate obokrata no mu ana fe wa ready ekomu ye South Africa puts Ghana on e-visa. They say South Africa no wo hia so be call commission ho akoye wa apply wo visa ene de e-visa online na wo betumi so aye no
adwa ne tie ne se enra na pa
enye adwa wo so abena wo so afia wo so nti ubekeka abomara na oyire so yadabe ya
oye abena
ayo nti ene na nti ya nti nya hwe wa papa yento so
enra ye story no ha Ghana for our passport akoka South Africa
yes 3 months
nti enra ye ne victims ni bebe twetwe nkomo yes I interview ni wie ye no awia no a
na we ba ye
na South Africa High Commission wo de krata no eba be hwim na dey say adwuma no aye na napa no
mfa so aba so papa wo so yo asade ba I think say e was anke ban sampo na wama nkofo aye stranded because bibi ntia ebia na obi adwuma na de ne call 3 months no onya aye na is adwuma na bo no
enra ma ni omkasa mo je say business na mo kwa ye wo ho nyina no
I don't know say ya be ma wo mo compensation bia fine but
wa wo share Facebook no krata no free South African High Commission to Ghana and that Facebook no mamen kai mu kakra efia I say the High Commission of the Republic of South Africa wishes to inform that Ghana has been added by the government of the Republic of South Africa on the e-visa list, which means that the Ghanaian nationals can apply online for visas to South Africa without visiting the High Commission. First paragraph no
it's daily guide Nadia no na fe over 650,000 gets new voter ID card okope 3 Dr. Eric Bosman Asare and so fonyi ede ni mo ha say ya Ghana for do no atimi atwere gbon mu edin Ghanaian time the obokrata no so enie okay AFCON trophy arrives in Ghana November 26 for 3-day tour. Nice AFCON na beba so no kruwa na da so no ebo mai mun srahwe 3 na fuamiensa na kwakwa samwanwa wo pay 12 ni highly sexually active population, low contraceptive use. As one would do one peak, on the stage be one say a day, obey the advantage of Canano. So I say, if you have now again, our Menona, Anna, oh, men castle, you know, now, so, but say, one say, you know, would not, baby, one more. Yeah, frog I want it. Upaso Coco, Upaso Rum. But I say, I dear, what 24 seconds. Sana make well, it's a Jumandia, we are Mencasa. And it's our for no. What will you so machine about more by? Yarian so woho. And no nama Dr. Kofi Esa. De Honsamo Baba to Jaya, so you to a body and a dear, over pra meka yesuan mopa mentam kese enti no munya careful na towo na bo ho ban ai na ede a obenyina beto da ho no ebefuno mema no pere ya na emfro wo mo bat omo kura na top bire bu ya na
fia wo ka sema ya ka ni utimanim na wo kasa no
enti ko pay 12 Ghanaian Times the Bokrata ne dia ba fe minority calls on government to abandon plans to sell NIB. Say no also news no mu ya de ye de nkoma enti ehwo asem no isi so register 673,276 eligible voters one more target